Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. I am 18 years old. I am a student and I live in Orlando, Florida. It's a very sunny place. Today, I want to share my idea of a perfect day. It is a simple day, but it makes me very happy. My perfect day begins slowly. I don't use an alarm clock. The sun wakes me up. I open my eyes and see the bright blue sky. I like to wake up around 9 in the morning. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. My favorite breakfast is pancakes with fresh strawberries and a little bit of syrup. It's so delicious. While I eat, I listen to happy music. After breakfast, I take my favorite book and sit outside on my small balcony. The weather is warm and nice. Reading a book in the morning sun is very relaxing. In the afternoon, my best friend Sarah comes to my house. She is my best friend in the whole world. We decide to go to the park. It's not far, so we walk there. Walking and talking is fun. The park is named Lake Eola. It's famous in Orlando. We see the big fountain in the middle of the lake. We walk around the lake and watch the swans. They are so beautiful. We find a nice spot on the grass under a big tree. We talk for hours about everything. We talk about our classes, our families, and our plans for the future. Sarah always makes me laugh. Her jokes are the best. Later, we buy ice cream from a small cart in the park. I always get chocolate. For the evening, I go to my part-time job. I work at a big movie theater downtown. I enjoy my job because I love movies. I help people find their seats and I sell popcorn and soda. My coworkers are friendly and we have a good time. On my perfect day, my shift is not too busy. The best part is, after I finish my work, I can watch a movie for free. I choose a new comedy movie. It is so funny. Laughing in a big, dark theater is a great feeling. After the movie, I walk home. It is about 10 o'clock at night. The city is quiet now. I look up at the stars. I think about my wonderful day. When I get home, I feel happy and peaceful. My perfect day is not about big adventures. It's about sunshine, good food, my best friend, and a funny movie. It is a day full of simple things that make me smile. That is my perfect day. Now it's your turn. Tell me what your perfect day would be like. And thank you for listening.